welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we are playing with Jay or Bridger. Okay, bud. And today we're gonna be checking out the new update. So we have not checked out Forest yet. We're gonna check out what's it called? Caves, freaking city, because there's new cosmetics. So let's go check it out.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, frick, but I be lagging. Oh, shoot, okay. Alright, hold up. I gotta do my intro.
Oh, yo, look at this.
Bro, yo, this is, bro,
Yo, look at this. It's the We Are VR stuff.
What is this? Bro. Yo, okay.
Oh, my God.
Nah, they knew what they were doing with this one, bro.
Yeah, okay, bud. Shut up.
Crazy.
Shut up.
That is crazy.
Okay, put on all the holdables first, and then we'll review the other ones, okay? Come here.
Oh, all of them?
Just the holdables. Okay, so now we got this. Okay, Paul, get the holdables out and we'll review them.
I don't have that thing.
Just go going, bro.
Give me a second. Hold on. Where is it?
Okay, guys. Let's have a. Dude, it's right there. You walked past it.
Where?
It's right here, bro. Idiot.
Oh, my bad. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait, where is it at? This thingy.
Oh, how you rate this one out of 10? Out of 10, tell me.
Oh yeah, I like this one a lot, bro.
Rate out of 10, you idiot.
Freaking 10, bro.
Okay, next one. This one.
Alright, next one. Which one?
See, this is what happens to your mother if you don't subscribe.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Bro, I like this one.
Yeah, me too. I like this
one. Like an 8.
8.
So I can hit people. Okay. Freaking take them off. Alright, we're gonna do this one next. Wait, yeah, this one. Where's it at? Oh, shoot. Yo, this is crazy, bro.
Here, let's like, I don't have it on. Jesus. Come on. I don't.
Yo, okay. Dude, this thing is so, like,
Tell him, Bridger.
Huge. Oh,
tell him,
it's so cool.
Well, I have not seen this one, bro. I don't know why I haven't seen this.
Dude, oh my, look at the inside.
Oh my God, this is sick.
That's sick. Okay, I like, that's a 10. That's like a.
That's a 10. That's a solid 10.
What's this thingy? Yo!
Bro.
Oh.
Okay.
Do we need to say this? Alright, we're doing speed rounds now. Oh.
Hey guys, don't drink and drive like I mean.
Bottoms up. That's like a.
Anyway, that was stupid.
That's like a. Yeah, that's like a 5. Oh, this little ring, that's gay.
Did you marry me?
Oh. What's the, why can't I grab it, bro? Shit. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
shoot. Okay, it's like.
It's like a fan. Dude, this is. Like oh, look, it has the flames that go up. Look at that.
I know. That's what I was saying. That's like an 8.
Yeah.
8. Oh, this chili.
Let's eat it together.
That's kind of the chili.
Eat it. What's it? Oh, do you see that? Eat it. Eat the rest of it.
Oh,
yeah, you see it?
Okay, that's
cool.
I thought it was gonna be.
And show it on my screen.
That's actually sick. That's
For
like
you.
a 10. That's not
This
like
thing.
An 8.
Look at this thing. Oh, whoa, look at this thing. And this is also what happens if you don't subscribe. This is what's gonna happen to your brother or one of your siblings or you. Burn your eyeballs out.
Hey, don't play with fire, kids.
Follow me. Okay, bud. Oh my God.
Yo,
A volcano.
Yo,
No
what
way.
the frick is this down here, bro?
Oh. What the heck? Look, we got new rocks we get to each other.
Yo, hey, bro, chill the frick out, bro. Yo. Okay. Yo, there's a freaking bug. Give me that, bro. I want this thing, bro. Bro, what? Bro, how the frick you get that? It's okay. Happy birthday.
Shut up, bro.
to me.
Hey,
Happy
so I saw
birthday.
a little something on TikTok where if you put these in the volcano, it kind of like erupts. Come on, let's go. We have to go fast though, cause then.
Oh shoot! Yo, what the frick? I can get out! I can get out!
Oh, it's we're,
Oh my! What the?
Come on, come on.
Yo, where we going? Where we going? Okay. Oh! 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 Yeah,
Look at the shaders are in. Look at how good the graphics.
yeah, are we about to like stay up here?
Oh, here.
Okay, branch to here, and then move up to.
Oh shoot! There's like a new thing where if you could like. Oh, help me! Hey, do you want to recreate Terminator? Here, come here. Come up on here. Come up.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we gotta recreate the.
Terminator.
Yeah.
Here, you jump in. You jump in and do the thumbs up. I'll push you in, okay?
Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta freaking get up there, bro.
Here, just go from here to there.
How do you like?
For real, okay? We're gonna have a brutal loop. Okay.
Okay, can't talk, bro. Okay,
No,
okay.
please don't do it.
That was good. That was good.
Okay. Tiger! Let's get the volcano. Let's get the volcano. Come on. I'm at the volcano. Fill up the volcano. Fill it up if you know what I mean. They don't want us to, but we're doing it. Okay, it's gonna.
The lava. It's what do you want?
Bridger, come on. By the way, if you touch the lava, you're gonna turn into a lava monkey.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Lyrics completely when I was singing.
Do it! Freaking again! No, we're doing it! Freaking volcano! Everybody! Stop tagging! Close to being done.
Means no worries.
Yeah, it's about to fill up.
Uh-oh. There's a volcano erupting. If we fall in, we'll burn to death. Every little thing is gonna be burnt.
I can't do nothing.